Read. Read me a book.
Oh, what's this? Touch the nose. Touch my toes. Oh.
You skipped a few pages there.
The end.
The end. Okay. What? Read me another one. Do you know that one?
The one.
Here, read me an Olivia book.
Olivia.
Yep. This is Olivia.
Change
She does lots of things. Yep.
the cell phone.
She wears herself out.
Oh.
Yep.
People out.
Yep.
Copy me.
Yep. She's always copying.
Mother. Father.
The father and her brother and her mother. Yep.
Dressed.
Yep. She likes to get dressed.
Everything.
Tries on everything. Yep.
A beach.
Goes to the beach.
I feel good.
Yep. She feels good.
I'll go home.
Yep.
Take a nap. Go sun.
Goes lays in the sun.
Or sleepy.
Yep.
Miss you.
Yep. It's off to the museum. The painting.
I hunting. Time out.
Yep. She got a timeout.
Pivot. Dinner.
Yep. She had dinner. And then what?
Pivot.
Yep. She wanted 5 books.
1, 2, 3.
Only got 3. Well, then what?
Kiss.
Kisses and she went night-night. Good job. Do Fox and Socks?
Bottom touch.
Yep.
Fox. What?
What's that?
Box. Socks. Bottom touch.
Well, you're kind of speeding through these days. Not reading a whole lot. Go 1 page at a time.
My red.
Red, red. What's this one?
Ball.
Ball, wall, fall.
Me.
Yep. He, me. Him, Jim.
Pat.
Pat, bat.
Banana.
Yeah, don't sit on that, Pat. What's this? Is that walk, talk?
Rata.
Yep. We like to talk. What's this one?
Tapa.
Hop, pop. And what's the last page?
Say.
Say, say. Yep.